Hey fam, welcome back to AI Hustle Network, your go-to spot for turning tech into cash flow. Today I'm breaking down 5 mind-blowing AI tools that are helping people in 2025 make $100 a day and sometimes way more online. If you've been thinking about starting a side hustle, building passive income, or finally breaking free from that 9-to-5 grind, stick around. And trust me, you don't want to miss tool number 5. It's a total game changer. ChatGPT freelance services, energetic and encouraging tone, can offer services like blog writing, product descriptions, and social media captions on platforms like Fiverr, Anytask, and Upwork. And guess what? You don't even need to be a pro writer. ChatGPT helps you craft high-quality content in minutes. Think about this. Freelancers are charging anywhere from $15 to $50 per project, and you can easily knock out 5 to 10 projects a day. That's your $100 goal smashed before lunchtime. Plus, as more businesses rely on freelancers, this side hustle is only going to grow. So if you love writing or just want an easy way to make money, Pictory.ai, inspiring and visionary tone. Next up, we've got Pictory.ai, a perfect tool for YouTube automation and content creation. Here's what it does. It takes blog posts or scripts and turns them into fully edited videos with voiceovers and visuals. It's a lifesaver for faceless YouTube channels, letting you create content without ever showing your face. Here's the potential. You can create videos on trending topics, monetize them, and earn anywhere from $500 to $1,000 a week through ad revenue or affiliate marketing. Picture this. You upload daily videos made with Pictory and start building a YouTube channel that pays you while you sleep. It's like having your own video. Canva.ai, confident and solution-oriented tone. Moving on to Canva.ai, a total goldmine for creators and entrepreneurs. Here's the magic. You can design logos, social media graphics, and YouTube thumbnails effortlessly. Or, better yet, create and sell Canva templates on platforms like Etsy and Gumroad. Let me hit you with a quick success story. One seller made over $5,000 in a single month just selling AI-generated Canva templates. The best part? You don't need advanced design skills. Canva makes it simple for everyone. So if you're creative or just looking for a way to make extra cash, this one's a no-brainer. Notion AI, practical and motivational tone. Let's talk productivity with Notion AI, a tool that's not only efficient, but also highly profitable. Here's the play. Create custom planner templates for side hustlers, students, and professionals. These templates sell for $20 to $50 each on Etsy and Gumroad. Why does this work so well? People love tools that save them time, and Notion templates do just that. For example, a goal-setting template or a project management planner can sell dozens or even hundreds of times. It's a passive income stream you can build. Opus Clip, excited and enthusiastic tone. And finally, we've got Opus Clip, a game-changing AI tool for short-form content creation. Here's how it works. It transforms long YouTube videos into viral short-form clips for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Right now, short-form videos are dominating the internet, and businesses are desperate for help repurposing their content. Offer packages like 10 viral clips for $100 and watch the clients roll in. Think about this. A single 10-minute YouTube video can give you 5 to 10 TikToks or shorts, all done in minutes with Opus Clip. Brands and creators will pay top dollar for this service. It's an incredible side hustle. Even if you're new to these 5 AI tools are your gateway to $100 a day or more online. No fancy tech skills required. If you found value in this video, here's what you got to do. Smash that subscribe button to join the AI Hustle Network family. Drop a comment below and let me know which tool you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay hustling, stay winning, and I'll catch you in the next one.